Hi guys, in this video we will see how to disable clearing the page file at shutdown to speed up shutdown process in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you want to speed up your shutdown process, then here are the process. First we will see how it is possible. The system's habit of clearing the page file during shutdown generally slow shutdown process. While this security feature has its benefits, disabling it can significantly reduce shutdown duration, especially on systems with large amount of RAM. So, however, having its benefits, but you can increase shutdown process after disabling page file. What is page file? Now we will see what is page file. The page file .sys is a system file used by Windows as virtual memory. When your physical RAM is full, Windows temporarily stores less used data in the page file on your hard drive or SSD. So you can easily disable page file at shutdown to increase your shutdown process, and you can shut down your Windows 11 system fastly. How to disable it? Here are the process. Right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and in run dialog box type the command secpol.msc. This command will open security policy. Security policy window will now open. Local security policy window will open. Here expand local policies, and here select security options. Thereafter go to right side, and here you will find shutdown. Here you will find shutdown clear page file. Apply a double click on it to open its property. Shutdown clear virtual memory page file properties, and make the check against option disabled, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Don't forget to restart your system. Once restart, your shutdown process will automatically